Did you know that one of Christianity's greatest minds made a decision at 18 that changed his entire life? Origen of Alexandria took Jesus' words about becoming eunuchs for the kingdom of heaven so literally that he castrated himself. He thought this extreme act would prove his devotion, but church leaders saw it as spiritual pride, not purity. Here's the profound lesson. Sometimes our most extreme actions come from misunderstanding what true discipline means. Origen believed that physical sacrifice would bring spiritual clarity, but real wisdom isn't found in harming ourselves. It's found in disciplined thinking and purposeful action. Despite this early mistake, Origen became Christianity's greatest scholar. He wrote over 2,000 works and developed ideas still used today. His mind was so powerful that his teachings influenced people for centuries, even though the church later called them controversial. Origen's story teaches us that our worst decisions don't define our potential. True greatness comes not from extreme gestures, but from consistent intellectual discipline and the courage to seek truth, even when others disagree with us.